Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight. Technology is done right. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to restart your start menu. Okay, so basically if you're coming into a problem where you need the start menu to be restarted, you can do this very easily. Okay, so basically this is only applicable on Windows 10. So yeah, okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to right click on this taskbar down here. Okay, make sure it's a blank spot, so just right click on it and click on Task Manager, or you can use your keyboard shortcut key and click on Control Shift and Escape. Okay, so once Task Manager is open, under Processes, the first tab, you're going to scroll down and you're going to search for Start. As you see here, this is the process. Okay, so this is your start menu, so you're going to right click on it and you're going to click on End Task. Okay, give it a while. And you can see here that it's already popped up, so it has already started the process again. So basically it's being restarted. So if you have any issues, it should be gone by now as you have restarted your start menu. So yeah, that's about it guys. If you have any other problems or any other questions, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.